Fasteners are known as the rice of industry, essential in manufacturing. Efficient management of fasteners is critical for production. KUNTON's ABin Smart RFID shelves are perfect for managing high-volume, low-cost fasteners, ideal for industries like automotive and home appliance manufacturing. Workers place empty boxes on the shelf, and the RFID chip triggers a replenishment alert. Inventory managers then restock promptly, ensuring no production delays. The two-bin design ensures first-in, first-out inventory management, maximizing shelf space. KUNTON's digital platform provides clear data on inventory and material usage, helping managers make informed decisions. KUNTON's ABin shelves make fastener delivery timely and retrieval simple.